So what is a surety bond and how does it relate to your business? If you're a company that's a contractor or some type of licensed business, you may have been informed that you need to obtain a surety bond. And there's different types of surety bonds, but in general, a surety bond is a three-party contract which connects you, your client, and the bonding company. And your client, in the case of a license, may be a licensing authority. Maybe you're a licensed automotive facility, a car dealership or repair facility. It may be a health club or other licensed facility. It may also be a performance bond where you're providing a contracted service to either a government agency or a private client, in which case a bond is going to protect that agency or client for your performance of the service that's being contracted. So as an example, here is a motor vehicle license bond from the Minnesota Department of Public Safety. This is what will be provided by your bonding company to give the licensing board the security in knowing that you're going to perform your duties as a licensed car dealership or repair facility in the statutes for that state. Another example is, here's one for a certificate of title surety bond. So if you're a person who owns a vehicle that doesn't have sufficient title paperwork, you may be required to provide this bond in order to induce the Department of Motor Vehicles to issue a title for a vehicle that doesn't have the proper paperwork. Another example is for a health club. This is a surety bond for a health club where if you're going to take membership payments, this is for the state of Pennsylvania or Commonwealth, that if you go out of business or go bankrupt, it will provide refunds to buyers of the contracts that you've taken in during that period of time. And depending on the nature of the bond, the bonding company may look to see if you have certain financial reserves, certain experience in the business, maybe certain background checks on executives or principals of the corporation. Even credit checks sometimes are done. So again, a surety bond is a three-party contract. It is between you, the bonding company that provides this bond or insurance policy, and the party that's being benefited from the guarantee of the bonding agent. And this is something that is required with some licensing, required with some municipal or government contracts, or may be required by a private party to secure their performance of your duties in a contract.